all participants are requested, please stay uh, in the group and stay with the connection, because the next session uh, by Mr. Sachin Jagtap sir on stress and health management through music therapy. So this is a quite very interesting session, and a recreational refreshment from the stress. It gives the relief from the stress. So all participants are requested to be in the connection for this session. Thank you.
Jagtap sir, have you connected? Sachin Jagtap sir? Sachin Jagtap sir, have you connected?
Yes, yes, madam.
Yeah, okay. So can we start with the session, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay. Over to you, Vijay.
Thank you, ma'am. Dear participants, we'll now begin with our second session. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our another eminent speaker, Mr. Sachin Jagtap sir. Sir is currently working as an assistant professor at Cyber in MBA department, proprietary of Jeevangan Group, Kolhapur. Sir has completed MCA, MBA, MA, MPhil, DIM, certified novel instructor, and Sangit Alankar with the All India rank B high grade. Sir is pursuing his PhD in Commerce and Management. Sir has about 20 years of teaching experience as well as 5 years of industrial experience. Sir plays different instruments, namely flute, harmonium, keyboard, dilruba, mouth organ, key flute, etc. Sachin sir's working professional mainly includes the music therapy, which contains music for health and wealth, stress management, and yoga, as well as coaching and performing classical concerts at Pandit Pannalal Ghosh Sangeet Sammelan at Pune, Navratra Utsav Sangeet Rajni at Miraz, and the International Film Festival at Goa. Also, Sir has played his recordings at various channels. Sir is a recipient of more than 10 awards and recently awarded with Lions Club Gunijan Puraskar and the Lokmat Teachers Excellence Award. So, after such a long session for almost 2 days, a calm and soothing influence of music should be relieving. And so, for this occasion, we have with us a renowned music therapist, Mr. Sachin Jagtap sir. With this brief introduction, on behalf of Bharati Vidyapit College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, we once again welcome you, sir. Now, I kindly request Mr. Sachin Jagtap, sir, to proceed with his session on stress and health management through music therapy.
Welcome,
Thank you, madam.
Sachin sir.
Yes, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. I will. I'm joining with the other media also.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
just a minute.
Yes, yes.
Uh, First of all, I'm very much thankful to this management for inviting such a renowned FDP. So today's topic is quite different. That is stress and health management. Just I will share the screen PPT and then I will start my session.
Yes, sir.
So before sharing the screen, I would like to start my lecture by playing the flute because this is related to music. So all of you know that whenever we are having any a good program, so we are starting with Ganesh Vandana. So I would like to start with the Ganesh Vandana. So just give me a few seconds. I have to transfer my connection to my speaker. Just a minute. wait. So I have 2 minutes to transfer my connection from mic to speaker. Just please bear me. So whether this track and my flute is audible, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clearly audible, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Just wait. I will share the screen. My screen is audible. Sorry, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so I hope that I started this session with the music because our this session is like that. So I have to just give some explanation about the music and here what is the actually importance of the music, and then I will give some demo about the how that music will be helpful to our life as well as the academician. So here I think there is a problem with scaring the screen. Just a minute. Huh? Okay, I think it is visible. So first, whenever we are actually working in any industries or in any workplace, we are facing the problem nowadays that is stress. Actually, there are some physicians or doctors for stress. They are giving some prescription of medicine, but as per my knowledge, the stress, there is a no medicine in the market. Actually the medicine will actually they are offering the medicine for the deeper sleep but not for reducing the stress. So first, what is the stress? All of you know that whenever we are working and in that condition, the stress is depending upon the person to person. So the stress is depending upon the person behavior to person behavior. So actually the stress is administrating music as a actually stress is what, whenever we are working and if we our some work is not as per our expectation, then we are facing the stress. In today's era, the mobile range is not available. This is one of the new stress we are having, the social media stress, right? So this stress actually gives lot of disadvantages for our human bodies. Maybe because of the stress nowadays, the kids are also having the stress about this online attendance. The teachers are having today's stress is that online classes they are conducting, but the students are not attending, and how to give them the marks of attendance and other assignments, right? So this is our faculty stress. So this stress you can reduce by only music within a few minutes. I am having the practice of this music therapy for last 10 years. I recovered 16 coma patients by using the music, and though all these 16 coma patients, they are working. They are 3 years and 4 years they were in coma, but now they are working. And 407 patients I treated, different kinds of patients, and specifically most of the patients are the sleep disorders patients and some psychological stress patients. So I reduce, and from last couple of years I am using this music for students also. So students, they are benefited by using this music. They recall all the formulas. I just build the module of the music to remember that all the trigonometric formula, all the quantitative or this statistics formula, once they recall by through music, once they remember through music, they will recall any time. Because I found that whenever the students are appearing for the exam, they are studied by means by heart. Some of the students, they studied with the hard work, but at the time of exam, they are not recalling the statistics formula, and that is the reason I found that the students failed in the that particular subject. So I already apply this music therapy for our students to reduce the stress of this subject wise stress. So the stress is the administrating music as a dosage to patients in order to improve their conditions or symptoms. So there are two types of stress. So you cannot measure the stress in the terms of the quantitative, right? So you cannot say the like blood pressure you can measure, right? The sugar you can measure, but stress you cannot measure. So this is the I called it as unknown state. There are some people, they say that I don't have stress, but they are having the stress and they are not recognizing that during that particular period, and that is called as hidden stress. And most of the people, they are having the hidden stress. That's why even they are vegetarian, even they are doing the diet, but they are actually diagnosis as a diabetic or blood pressure type of disease because of this unknown state. So how you can reduce or how you can remove this unknown state also? So actually, if you use the music, so it increase the intellectual and mental work. So whenever, if you see that, if actually, if you just recall your childhood memories, so whenever you are remembering the that all the school realms, so you can remember very easily, fastly, as well as you can recall it within a fraction of second. Okay. So what is the reason? The reason is that your memory is actually remembered. Your brain is already indexed with the things and you can recall. Whenever actually I have the experience that the people, they are working very hard to 8 to 10 hours. Whenever they came to home, then they are asking to offer the tea or coffee, but nobody is sitting calm and they are listening the music. You can listen the music, whatever music you like, for at least 10 minutes. You will see that whatever your stress will be reduced and you are not becoming angry on your maybe kids or maybe any your in the any person in your house or home. So that is what the music plays very important role. The another thing with the music is actually removing the negative emotions rapidly. I already apply these things in the on a corona patients, and in the first stage of corona last 2 years before. So the people are very, very the actually thinking about the corona, and they are not even they are having the very few symptoms like the cough. So they feel that okay, they are having the corona, and because of this threat, most of the people die. So the our collector, that Kal Shetty, they actually he gives me actually they are good. He is a good human being, and he's told me that you apply your music to one in cyber. There is a Corona center. So I apply this music, and it actually it works. And the people, they whatever the fear above the corona, that fear is removed. I gave the that Karwa, that is Karwa is one of the music bank, the small radio, and only old songs I am selected songs I played there. And the rate of that the cure patients of corona gets increased, and the rapidly they feel good, and that people, the patients feel good, and they are discharged from the corona center because of the music. I didn't give any, actually they are taking the medicines. But how do you change your mind? You change your mind through the music only, within a fraction of seconds. So that is what the very important role of the this music. So actually the music having the in the teachers are having not only the teaching workload, lot of other workloads are there, and that's why sometimes they feel the anxiety. Sometimes they are actually aggressively their behavior is aggressive. Then some disorders they are feeling. So most of the teachers, they call me after this FDP. I actually conducted 9 FDP about this stress management. And this actually sleep disorders are more in the teachers nowadays. Depressions, then the imbalance, then temper tension, these are what the stresses which is amongst the teachers. So how we can control this? Maybe you are thinking that we don't have the music knowledge. Then how this music works for us? So I will give some actually I will teach something, and we will you have this music knowledge, but you are not recognized. Some of you may are also having some music knowledge, but those they don't have any music knowledge, they can uh, feel, they can recognize what kind of music actually or what is the feeling about that particular music. So music is the only language which is called as universal language, because there are 7 notes: sa re ga ma pa dha ni. In India, in the Hindustani, we call it as sa re ga ma pa dha ni. In Karnataka, sa re ga ma pa dha ni. In the US, C D E F G A B C. In the France, do re mi fa sol la si. The names are different, but frequencies are same. So particular frequencies of sound, whenever you are listening and that sound is good, the sound will feel to your mind the pleasant, and that gives the positive results to the human beings. Each frequency, remember there are some frequencies of sounds which is actually not good for some people. So it depends upon the people to people which frequency allergy they are having. We have to find out that allergy, and that type of music you don't need to listen, otherwise it will not give the good results. So these frequencies of sound which is which is actually fitted to that person to person, which gives the positive results to the human beings. The Hindustani classical music has more features than the Western music. Nowadays, I'm just observing that most of the new generation people, they are using the rap and pop. They are listening the rap and pop, and if you see that is the reason today's generation is very aggressive. They don't care about their parents. They don't care about the elders, because they are listening such type of frequency for longer period, and they because of that there is a problem of the brain. They are not patiently listening to anybody. They don't have the patience, because music is also the good medicines to improve your patience and to give the more pleasant environment. So whenever you are listening the music, there are two type of music. One is the active listening, and second is the passive listening. So what is the active listening? So whenever you are taking some music as a medicine, or music as a meditation, then you must actively listen that music, either by putting the uh, earphones or headphones, and your environment should be quite calm, and then you can listen that music for improving your health, or for meditation purpose you can use. But whenever you want to improve the productivity of yourself, for example you are working, and that time you don't you want to improve your whatever the work performance, that time background music also plays very important role. Because my PhD, I just submitted the PhD, and my PhD topic was the impact of background music on consumer satisfaction and employee efficiency. So I created the music and I given to some organizations, and I collected the data. So the whatever the work productivity get increases. So it depends upon what music you are playing. Otherwise, what happen in background music? Suppose you are that music is having the lyrics, so that time it will distract the that employee's mind or worker's mind. Depend upon which work you are which in which workplace you are implementing that music, right? So depending upon the workplace, if you are implementing the background music, so it gives good effect. It will improve the decision making, because that time you may be concentrate on that particular work, you are patiently working, and that time definitely the decision making also gets improved. So as I said that Hindustani music is a good music in all over world. Actually, this music therapy is not a, very new concept. 5,000 year olds that music therapy was already implemented in Tamra Yuga. And there is a Samved is the Grantha. In that Samved, it includes the few information about which raga is useful for what kind of disease. So it is not a very new, but actually what happened, the Indian people, they are not, like yoga is now called as yoga. That is wrong word, yoga. And yoga is the correct word, but it comes from the other countries. That's why we are called is as a yoga, right? Likewise, music therapy, they are now the people that outside countries, they are studying the culture, that our classical music, because classical music only has a time signature, which helps to stimulate the brain and helps to improve the productivity. If you know that in our Maharashtra, we are listening the Bhupali, right? So if you're listening the Bhupali in the morning, it will feel very good, whatever you will feel fresh for whole day. But if you are listening the Bhupali in the night, so it doesn't give the that much effect, right? So because this our all the classical music has a time signature. So there are 8 cycles. So within the 8 cycles, the rags are divided in 8 cycles. So if you listen that proper music in that proper time, so it will give the good effects. So it will helps you to improve the productivity. So that's why I am my intention is what our Indian classical music therapy should our patent should be in India, not it should come from the outside the countries. So music and emotions having the very tight connection of with your mind. If you most of you maybe actually watched that movie, that is Tare Zameen Pe, and there was a song whenever that kid was actually leave from the home and he's taken the admission to the that school, that time that there was a Shankar Madhavan song, and most of the, not only the ladies, gents are also they are actually crying. Why? Because of that music, background music, or because of that particular music played or composed for that particular song. Now, I will do one thing. I will play some notes, okay? And then you just tell me about the two words, whether that you feel happy or you feel sad, okay? How do you feel that by listening the music? For example, okay, whenever my one request to all of you, whenever I am playing any music, you close your eyes and try to listen carefully, then you feel whatever, then that feelings will come. Otherwise, you are doing some work and you are listening, that was the background music. Now in this sense, I need from all of you, I need active listening, okay? So now I will play one tune, and just you tell me how you feel that tune, whether it is happy or sad, okay? Now just tell me by listening this tune whether you feel happy or sad. I'm not telling any raga. Okay,
Happy, sir.
happy. Okay.
Happy.
Anybody else can comment on the comment box also.
Happy.
Happy. Okay, happy. Now see that most of you maybe feel happy, and I don't think anybody is feeling sad, because this music, I'm not saying any raga name. I just played the five notes, sa re ga pa dha sa, right? So it will feel happy. You don't know about the background knowledge about the music, what is the raga, what is sa re ga ma, but after listening you are feeling the happy. Okay, now in some other music I will play on the different flute, and just tell me what about the feelings. Okay. Now just tell me whether you feel as a happy or sad.
Sad.
Sad. Okay.
Sad.
Sad.
sad. Maybe if you are listening with the closing eyes, maybe you are visualize some unhappy things. Some of you, I don't know. So this is what I played the notes, the same notes, but I added some flat notes, that is Komal Swara. So this is what this some raga. First raga I played, that is Deskar. Second this raga I played the Marwa. And the actually the what you call the mood of this first raga was happy and second raga was sad, and you recognize correctly. Now you don't have the knowledge about this raga, but even you don't have the knowledge, your feelings are right about that particular ragas, right? That is what the power of the music. Now whenever you are having this you are listening the music, so actually you can listen, and depending upon your person to person you have to listen that music. And I'm creating the music like that. I'm not giving the music commonly to all the people or all the patients. Depending upon the patients or depending upon the people behavior, I am identifying what are the allergies of the music, what are the likelihoods of that particular person, and depending upon their human disorders or their problems, even they want for some suppose the stress or for yoga, I'm giving the music for yoga also, because whenever you are doing some exercise again, the music gives you, or music boosts you towards that yoga or exercise, right? Even I am having the music, already actually daily I am walking for 8 kilometers, but I don't feel very what you call I'm not feeling lazy to walk, because I have that music, and I'm just putting the tempo, because depending upon the tempo automatically my speed will gets increase and then after that decrease likewise. So because of the music, even I'm a high diabetic, I'm enjoying my life because I'm not taking any insulins. Even I affected 2 times corona positive. I didn't take any means that remdesivir, right? So this is what the music gives me, boosts me, because willpower, again music will gives you or boost your willpowers also, because mind is the only one element which actually gives us the good things, or which gives us to knowledge of recognizing what is good and what is bad. If your mind is good, हम बोलते हैं कि जब मन चंगा तो कटौती में गंगा, and that music actually gives the as a medicine. So as I say, whenever you are listening, you can listen active listening and passive listening. Active listening, if you are doing some meditation, if you are taking that music as a what you call the supplementary drug, or if you want to be happy for whole day, you can use the active listening. Whenever you want to boost your work, at the during the work, you can maybe at home or maybe outside the home, you have to use the passive listening. In that passive listening also, depending upon work to work, you can choose the music, you can see, you can implement the playlist, and then that playlist you can run time to time, means morning different, evening different, and afternoon different. Even I have some music, I'll just play the music, but we don't have much time. That morning actually set my neutral music I already created. So if you do the exercise of that music for 5 minutes whenever you take the bath, and after that do before the breakfast or tea, if you listen that music for 10 minutes, so whatever your negative thinkings will gets erased, and you feel very fresh for whole day. Even before the night also, suppose you are sleep disorders, depending upon the person to person, I created the music, and I have 15 to 20 patients that they are taking 3 tablets to for sleep disorders, but they don't sleep. But whenever I gave the music, and then now they are not taking the medicine, and they are so they are having the habit that, so they are just playing the music on mobile with the very low volume, and then they are they slept, and now they are doing the same practice. So that is what the I have this all the history, and I am now already written the book of 350 pages, that Arogya Sangeet. So after this lockdown, whenever the gate started, I will publish that book. And I already collected the data, and by using the research methodology, I proved that things. It doesn't mean that you don't stop the medicine immediately. Music is a supplementary drug, remember. So in the hospitals also, I just visited the Lisbon as a resource person for music therapy, and then I was surprised that they are having the separate section in the hospital for some patient, cancer patient. Even I played 2 times in Tata Memorial for cancer patients, and remember, and I just trust me that during that particular period, whatever the pains they are having, they are not actually that pain. They are not recognizing the pain for that particular time. So that is what the magic of music. Okay, so what are these music notes? Because if you see that, what is the magic of this our nature? We are having the seven sense organ, we are having the seven chakras in the body, we are having the seven notes. What are these music notes, and what is the actual use of these notes, or what is the these notes relates to our body? Now the first note is a sa, that is called as shadaj. So if you are having this shared notes, and if you just use the humming on the basis of on this shared note, so it will helps to reduce the pitta, and also it reduce the heat, as well as the actually whatever the gastrics problem, it decreases the that problems. The another note is ray. So humming the ray, it eliminates the pitta and curb disease. Now, what is that sa ray? These are the notes, and these notes are common for all over world. That is by using the 440 frequency. The frequencies of our bodies are different to different. So whenever you are humming that notes, or whenever you are listening that notes, what is your body frequency? On that body frequency, if you are humming, so it will give good effects. Humming, or you can do omkar on that notes. Suppose if your body frequency is C sharp, that is what the kali ek note, or you can in English you can say C sharp. So you can use this C sharp as a sa, and you can say that note by using the tanpura. Tanpura is one of the good instrument. We will call that tanpura as a nada brahma. And I'm having that tanpura also. I'll give you all these music folder, if anybody wants. Gandhar is the third note. If you are say using this Gandhar daily for 5 minutes, humming 5 minutes. So pitta prakriti, if you have the pitta prakriti, all the disease related to pitta prakriti, it will eliminates this, and it will give the what you call the good response to the drugs which you are taking. The madhyam is the middle note. That's why it is called as madhyam. It controls the high BP. Remember, high BP, if you want to immediately reduce that high BP, the madhyam humming is very, very helpful. And I'm telling by my experience, pancham is good for the blood purification. And this pancham note also, sa and pa is very, very important notes in our classical music. Then dhaivat is the another swara. So it eliminates the volatility, controls the vat, and vat related all these diseases about the vat related disease, it will control. And last one is the nishad. So Nishad, it tries to eliminate the cough and what related disease. So how this, for suppose your body frequency is sa, so how that all these tone will play, or how what is the resonance of this all the notes. So suppose this is safed, sorry, kali ek note, or you can call it as a C sharp. I'll play all these 7 note sequentially. Yes, I. I played last one is a upper, that last note sharp, but these are the notes. These are the Shuddha Swara. But suppose if you have some that is health disorders. So in that case, you have to use the flat notes. This is all the sharp notes. So flat notes, suppose this is Re. This is the flat note. So it will give some, depending upon what medicines you are taking. Remember, this music therapy did not depending upon the person to person also. It depends upon person as well as what treatment they are taking. For example, if you are taking the allopathy or Ayurved medicines, so as per your behavior, you have to listen the music. If you are taking the homeopathy medicine, so you have to listen the music opposite of your behavior. Suppose you are very happy person, but if I give the happy mood music, it doesn't helps. If you if and in that particular case, if you are listening the sad music, then it helps. If you are taking the homeopathic medicines, I just completed, or I researched with the help of our Dr. Shinde. Okay, so this is what the research uh, I'm doing, still I'm doing on the music. So stress and music therapy by nature. Suppose if you are person like the you are passionate person or you are daring person, so you have to use the Rag Khamaj, Malkaun's, Lalit, Gorak Kalyan, Shuddha Sarang, or you can do the Omkar humming in the afternoon, right? In the afternoon in the swara, Madhyam swara, Ma swara. Okay, so Khamaj, actually, I will play the song of Khamaj. So just afterwards. Then, if you are person that you are actually likes neatness, or your purity of mind person, gentleman, that time you have to listen the raga bhoop, or Hansodhani, or Yaman, or Tilang, or Hamir. Now, I will play one song on Raga Bhoop, because most of the people they feel that okay, I don't know Raga Bhoop, but if you listen that song is depend on the Raga Bhoop. You can listen that song also, but that song should be not very fast. Okay, so just minute, I will just remove the speaker spin, that mic pin, and I will play that song based on the Raga. Just wait. So this was the actually Rag Bhupali. Just let me, I will just change the screen. So I hope that this song, anybody recognize what song I played? Nobody?
Jyoti Kalash Chalke.
Yes, yes, good. So you are recognized means I'm a good player. Okay. So this is what the one rag bhup. So you can listen the rag based song also. Now you have this all these ragas on the tip of your means by clicking the mouse you can just go to the internet, you can get these ragas. But which music you can listen? So basically flute is the good because this is the only instrument which nature's gifted. It has no any other. If you see that this flute is actually having this bamboo, right? And there is no if you see there is no other metal placed in music. Whatever my I'm just blowing, depending upon that it gives the sound. So you can listen the santur, you can listen the jalatarang, you can listen the flute, even sitar. And if some vocal also you can listen, but it should not be like the new songs. अभी नए सॉन्ग में इतना इतना चिल्लाते हैं, that is not good for our health. Okay. If you are the person who is extremely thoughtful, talkative and humorous, so you can listen the rag des, rag kamot, rag mallar and darbari. Now this, what is that raga? Raga is nothing but the collection of notes. That notes is actually playing ascending and descending order. And there are some notes are virgin notes, means not there some ragas having the 7 notes, some ragas having the 5 notes, but all the 5 notes may not be all the shuddha swara. Maybe there are flat notes, komal swara, and then it will give the some kind of feelings. Even for the for coma patients, depending of I just collected the information about behavior and all this information from childhood, and I gave the first pilot music. Then I gave after pilot music the Dr. Shital Deshpande and some other doctors, they give me the feedback, and that time I just changing the music, and then it helps to that particular patients. Okay, so the Meg and this you can if you use the if you listen the Meg Mallar, you feel that now there is a even there is a cool environment. Even you can listen this Meg Mallar in summer. Actually, it is a not summer raga, but if you just play or listen in summer, so quietly your body will feel cool. Even the temperature is high, so I just used this and feel this. That's why I'm telling. Then, if you are the emotional or fickle type of or ambitious type of person, then Vrindavani Sarang, Madhyamadi Sarang, then Megh Mallar, Kamod, Shuddha Kalyan, this raga or this raga based songs you can listen. If you are the arrogant type of person, means Pitta Prakruti, then you can listen the Puriya Bhairavi, Vibhas, Ahir Bhairav, or Puriya Kallan. If you are a very modest person, so if you are the modest person, then for that you can use the Chandrakons, Bhimpalasi, Miyaki, Mallar, or Abogi. For example, the for child, actually how that music is effective for this type of person. If you see that yeah, nowadays the new generation doesn't know the Angai, right? So this new generation actually doesn't know, but if you see the old type of people, so for the all these babies, they are singing the Angai. Now, whenever these Angais type of songs, they are choosing the rag which is having the low frequencies, not in upper frequencies, and the laya is also important, that is tempo of music is also important. So tempo is very very slow. For example, I'll play one song and then you can feel that how it helps. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'll changing the plug. It is very famous song. It is very famous song I am playing. So this is what the song. So that is what called as Lori. So this Lori, now this song is very popular and sung by the Yeshudas, and music was very nice. Okay. So this music, this type of Lori, definitely वो बच्चा सो जाएगा. But if I use the same note but in upper note, so I use this bass flute, right? So if I say now this is a higher note. Now this higher note will not be effectively for this that whatever the purpose you are having. So वो बच्चा सो नहीं पाएगा. That frequency is like that. Okay, so if you are using this or listening this, the frequencies also plays very important role. Then if you are the person like inner note or double dealing type, then rag yaman is very effective for, or it will give the good results by listening the yaman. For example, yaman raga, you know that most of the music director they are using this yaman raga. So for example, so this is what the Yaman Raga as I played. So it also gives for all of you, you can listen the Yaman Raga. This is common Raga and this Shuddha Swaras, one only note is Madhyam Tivra. But you listen in the 6 to 9 this type evening. So it will give you good for meditation. If you want to reduce the stress, so Yaman is very good Raga for that. If you are a person like spiritual or worship type of person, then Hamir Deskar, Rageshri Raga, Bhoop Raga, these are actually good. If you are person like the rational person or opportunistic type of person, then Rag Bihag, Rag Yaman, Mallar is good. If you are person like scientist, always you are thinking some type of creativity, so that type of person rag Shivaranjani, Kafi, Bageshri, Kalavati, Dhani, Ahir Bhairav, Asavari, Madmat Sarang, Jog. So in this case, Komal Niswar Gunjan is very good for this type of people, because this type of people is having cough. Most of the people having cough prakriti, because Ayurveda is in Charak Samhita, it is mentioned that. So such type of people, those are thinker. So they are having the cough prakriti. So for that they should listen this raga. Even the Khamaj raga also is good. If there are some people like sweet spoken religious, for that Pahadi, Ramkali, Gunakali, Asavari, Todi, Bilas Khani. Now Pahadi is also good for the uh, actually for reducing the stress. So how this Pahadis were actually the Pahadis were Pahadi played by some upper notes swara. Suppose if I the Pahadi like that. So this is what the rag Pahadi. So again, Pahadi is very nice raga to reduce the stress. So आपको कभी भी थकान अगर आपको है तो पहाड़ी राग सुनिए, थकान 2 मिनट में भाग जाएगी. Now there is another raga I told as a Khamaj raga, but there are some, maybe last time one question asked by the one participant. Suppose there are some person like Chanchal Vritti. So within a minute they feel very happy. Within a minute they actually goes in depression. So what type of music for that type for particular that person should is effective? So for that you have to compose the mixture music like that. So so it will actually set his or her mind neutral. So what kind of music you need to play? Just minute, I will just select that particular songs and then just minute, I have to pick up the flute because I have to demo with a different frequency, so I need the different flute. Actually, I have 440 flutes, but from that I am collage of 3-4 songs. So just give me 1 second. And these songs, maybe all of you are knowing that songs, so that's why I'm choosing that songs and made some collage. This mode has changed. So this is what the type of mixer music, those who are Chanchal Prakriti, or there are some actually the students, or there are some people, they are having this type of behavior. So you have to give the mixture music. If they listen for only say 10 minutes, so their mind will set neutral. So I already use this music for number of patients, and then I calculate that one. So this is what the type of different ragas. Even if you are doing some activities, so it depends upon the activities. So there is a laya, or you can say bits. So these bits, if you maintain, then it will give the better results. Now Zumba dance is coming. That is new exercise. I'm not knowing that about the Zumba dance. But if you are using the aerobic dance, so 126 to 192 beat per beats, you have to say it. If you are even, yeah, I'm just giving one example that there I'm a artist, so uh, I'm just traveling for a whole night for programs. So there was a one driver, and he felt sleepy, and he said that okay, today we will not travel. Today we will just take the rest, because he feel very tired. Okay, I said that okay, you take a sleep and then you decide. He took a sleep, and again I just played the songs of Lakshmikant Parallel ji, very selected songs. So he get up and he said that okay, we will move, and the whole 6 hours I played that songs, and he was very what you call energetic that time, and he said that please give me this folder, because of these songs I didn't feel sleepy, and even I feel very happy. So the I've said the this tempo of music. So these are what some type of what you call the music I'm already used, and then I'm just asking you to use this type of music, and if you can see that the magic of the music. Right. So even walking also, if you are walking for 30 minutes or the health walking for 20 minutes or fitness walking for 15 minutes. So these are what the beats means, that type of beats music you can sit and you can just listen during the walking, and then it will gives you a very good effect. Otherwise, what happen if you are just walking without बिना सोचे आप जैसे फास्ट फास्ट वॉक करेंगे तो इतना फायदे से नहीं होगा. So that is what the things I just studied. Then I used different ragas for different diseases. For example, if you are patients of high BP, so Bhoop, Todi, Yaman, and Bhageshri are already used for that, and it works. Acidity, Puriya Dhanashri. Why this music plays, because I told that each and every note is related to your body and chakras, and these flat notes and the sharp notes, mixture of these notes is a raga. If you use this raga, definitely it will help, but again it depends upon the person to person, but most of the time these common ragas are helpful. So low BP, there is no medicine, but in city hospital, for the some two patients, I use the Malkaus Asavari. There is a one patient, he was in coma, and he was a Panipuri wala, Srinath Panipuri wala. So he was actually low BP, and this low BP, because of that one. Actually, the doctor called me, because that Srinath Panipura wala knows that I'm using this type of therapy, and that low BP was actually neutral within 2 hours, and then the doctor is giving the further treatment, because if the BP is not normal, doctor can't do anything. Pitta Prakriti, Khamaj, Bihag, and Sarang I used, and it works. Then digestion, Malcounts, again, it is useful. Brain related, Des and Bhim Palasi Raga is very good. Blood purification, I used only one raga because there are few patients, but Deep Raga was actually good. bone disease Yaman raga, because actually for the bone disease, especially the arthritis, all these patients, Yaman raga I gave, and skin disorders Mallar and Bageshi raga I used. Sleep disorder Darbari Kanra, but not only Darbari Kanra. Few in the last few months I used the Yaman Alap also. It also works. Not only Darbari Kanra. I gave the Darbari Kanra for this that patient, but that patient said that I didn't feel sleepy. Then I again gone through the history, and then I use the Yaman Alap, very Madhya Saptak Alap, very low frequency Alap, and then he felt that now it works. Depressions, very good raga, that is Hausadhwani. Hausadhwani raga is actually known not for the South Indian, North Indian also. And nowadays, the Hausudani Raga is very, very famous in the abroad for fusion purpose. So depression, it will reduce the depression. Even Pahadi, I told that. Okay. Then the arthritic Jaijavanti Raga. So this is what the ragas I had actually used. Okay, so I am having lot of things for discussion, but time is a limit. But even actually, when if it is offline, then I gave the I will give you how that particular music will reduce your pulse rate and increase the pulse rate online, because this online mode it is not possible, because what happened, maybe that particular sound may not be no proper. So I always use this type of practice in offline lectures. So how that music will control the breathing, even it will control the pulse rate and heartbeat also. So I use this music for not only for patients. ऐसा नहीं है कि पेशेंट है तभी म्यूजिक यूज करो, जब पेशेंट नहीं होना है तो भी म्यूजिक यूज करना चाहिए. इफ you feel always happy, then you have to listen the good quality music. I'm not saying that only music, underline the good quality music, especially old songs. You please listen the old songs, whichever you like. If you like the Kishore Kumar, you can listen Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar. Don't use the Andan Samni and other, because the high frequencies are always dangerous. And this is what I am giving the demonstration about these new songs also. I'm not blaming to the music directors, but nowadays what happened, the parents are actually my son never listens that new songs. Now he is playing in the Saregamapa Little Champs, Zee Marathi, Santur. Even I'm a flutist, so I told him that you just learn the Santur, and believe me, he is not actually having the external class from first to 10 standard, only the self study. And 10 standard he score 100 out of 98 for mathematics and 100 out of 96 for science. But I just told him that you please go to the commerce, because he is a musician, that's why. So why this score is improved, because he played the santur, and santur requires having the left and right brain, actually left brain and right brain exercise. Okay, so I hope that all of you understood what I am saying. So I have the 2 o'clock, I have another duty. So if you have any questions, you please ask the questions.
Thank you, sir, for such an amazing and refreshing musical session. We really enjoyed listening you. Now the
Thank
session
you.
is open for discussion. I request the participants to unmute yourself and ask the questions to our eminent speaker, or you can post your questions in chat box or in WhatsApp group.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, sir. It was a nice session, sir. We enjoyed a lot.
Thank
I'm
you.
having one question.
Yes.
that table that you have shown related to the frequency and the beats.
Yeah. Yeah.
So from where we get the beats of a particular song uh, means when we see and when we download any song or when we observe, we
Mhm.
do not found that data. So from where we should get that beats of particular song.
Actually, there is a app that is Metromon app. So I will give you the details about that app. Whenever you are listening the song, no, so you have to tap that particular laya on that particular app box. So automatically it will give that what is the tempo of that particular song.
Okay, sir. So the name
Uh,
is Metro.
Metromon app. There are two, three apps, but Metromon app is good.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
So it is you can download from the Play Store and you can use it.
Okay.
There are another apps, but it is what the paid app. So if you just listen the, if you just put the mic on and if that played song is listened by that app, so it will give the what is the tempo of that particular song. That is also there. But depending, but this app having some error because it depends upon their Western type of rhythm. No, they are having only 4/4. We are having 6/8, 7/8, 9/8, then 4/4, 6/4. This type of different lays we are having. So best way you tap on that and you will get the beats per minute.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Huh.
One of the participant has raised hand. Asma.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible? Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It was nice listening to you. You have indeed has tell us the advantages of listening to music. My question is that, sir, nowadays we can see the type of the music that is coming into the market. So whether
Right.
this type of the music have any adverse effect also on the health, considering especially the kids or teenagers?
Definitely adverse effect. So as I said that the pop songs which are having the frequency means higher than 600 and more. 440 is our standard natural frequency for all over world. And if you see the all the old songs, it is in the octave of the 440. But nowadays, this whatever the sing people came, I don't know what is the name of that singers because they are singing very high pitch. So it is not good for health because if you sing, if you listen the high frequency, definitely your BP will raise. And whenever your blood pressure and blood circulation is disturbed, definitely you will become an angry or whatever the behavior gets changed and your thinking also gets changed. So these new songs, if there is a in Madhya Saptak, not in Tar Saptak, then it is good for the teenagers. If that songs are having very high tempo with the lead guitars or Western guitars, it will having the high frequencies and mixture of so many rhythms and so many instruments. So definitely the headache will get started. So the very that old songs or the new songs with the low tempo with the middle frequency are good for the teenagers.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, are there ragas specifically meant for as playing as per the time? Like some type of ragas you should only listen or play in the morning and
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah. As I told that our Indian classical is having time signature. So if you want that, I have that particular file. If anybody want, I can send it. So if you are taking meditation for morning, so there are morning lagas like Ahir Bhairav, Nat Bhairav, all the Bhairav prakars, the types. These are the morning. So morning means what? Downtime ragas are different. Downtime ragas are actually the Lalit means from 5 morning to or early morning to 6. After 6 to 9, you can use you can listen the all the Bhairavs raga, Ahir Bhairav, Nat Bhairav type of. 9 to 12, you can listen the Sarang raga, Vrindavani Sarang or the Shuddha Sarang. 12 to 4 you can listen the Paddeep Raga, then Bhim Raga, like type of. Then 4 to again 6 you can use the Parmel Praveshak Raga. That is what the you can listen the Rag Madhuvanti type. And 6 to again 9 you can listen the Bhoop, then the Des, then Desi. Then 9 to 12 you can listen the Yaman Raga, Darbari Kannada Raga. So many ragas, 500 ragas are divided into these 8 time signatures. So best of
So,
5 raga, you
like,
can listen 25 ragas, you can select and you can listen,
yeah.
which is very
No, it's like
famous.
our, as per Ayurveda principles, the body cycle is divided into Pitta, Kapha,
Vata.
and Vata.
Right. Vata.
Yeah. So the Kapha phase starts in the morning, say 6 to 10 is Kapha phase.
Right.
Then 10 to 2 is Pitta,
Yeah.
and 2 to 6 again is Vata.
Yeah.
So, if the ragas which are meant to listen, say at morning in the 6 o'clock,
Hmm.
so if the patient listens to that, will it help in the cough regulation?
No, now here, whenever that Pitta Prakruti patient is actually listening that raga, that morning raga, right? So for that patients, it is not that much helpful. For common people, it is helpful. But suppose there is a Pitta Prakruti raga and there is a Pitta Prakruti time is there. So there is a special raga which is helpful for Pitta Prakruti. That raga they have to listen.
Okay.
Otherwise, suppose the Pitta Prakriti is high, actually Vata Pitta Kapha is required, otherwise you can't live, right?
Yeah, very.
But if the Prakriti is that particularly that Pitta, Vata or Kapha, that time they have to listen the raga which is here, which is reduces that Pitta, Vata or which is control that Pitta, Vata and Kapha Prakriti raga.
Sir, we are having one question on the
Yeah,
WhatsApp group.
right.
In condition of stress, I also used to listen music, but within few minutes I started crying. So the question is it okay or should they stop to listen?
No, he started crying.
Yes.
But whether he is taking any medicine, that is very important, because suppose he's taking the medicine, the homeopathy, then they have to listen pathos. If he is taking
I
the
think
medicine, not taking the medicine that time, he should use the not Shivaranjani raga. Which music he is listening, that is important. For that,
okay.
suppose he is crying and he is normal, then he should use Pahadi. He should listen Pahadi raga. He should listen Des raga, that because Pahadian Des raga is not actually played in the middle octave. It is played in the higher than middle octave, and the tempo of the raga is not slow. I think he is crying means what? Maybe that music is slow tempo. That particular music is having the many flat notes. So they should not listen the flat notes. They should listen the sharp note raga. Like the Pahadi is the good raga. Then Des is good. Deskar is good. So this type of raga they can listen, or this type of raga based songs he or she can listen.
She has completed drug therapy, sir. So you are asking the whether they she has carrying out the drug therapy. So they have she has already completed the drug therapy.
Okay. Then I will recommend it that Pahadi is good. Hausodhani, Pahadi and Hausodhani type this raga, but not vocal. He should or she should listen the instrumental, which includes the sitar, santur, flute, this type of combination. This type of music, or in the I think Call of Valley. This is one very good Grammy Award CD. Shiva Hari is the composer. In that, this raga is there. Pahadi raga is there. Then even Natta Bhairav raga is there. So they can download from the YouTube, and or they can purchase from the Saregama that website. So and they can listen. and then they give me the feedback about that after listening Pahadi. Okay, that is more important for me, because whether it is effectively work or not, I have to check, or I can guide them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, there is one question from my side. Not a question. It has a curiosity, and that you are saying that there are so many flutes you have with their different frequency.
Right.
So, if possible, can you show the different 4 or 5 flutes where they have the different frequency?
Yeah,
So all
yeah.
the audience, they can take the enjoy of visualization and
Yes, yes, yes.
understand actually what is the difference in
Yeah,
between the
yeah.
frequency and the actually scene of flutes.
Right, 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 right. Okay, so I'll just show you. I have a very base flute, but it is not shown in the picture. Even this is also not shown in the picture. This is 3.5 feet. But suppose if I play this flute, so it is a bass flute for some scenes in even picture or films I played, even the Dharavahik I played. So for example, this is what the bass D. Now the same frequency, I have the same frequency middle flute. Okay, I'm not showing all 40, but same frequency flute I am just showing you. Now again the very another flute. I'll just show you. Just give me the second for searching that flute. Okay, I got it. Now this is what the again middle one. Now you can see whole flute. Then again the same frequency, but the very upper note flute. It is actually used for the very old songs. So that is what the small flute, and there is very small flute is very difficult. So again, so I have 45 flutes like that, depending upon song, depending upon the mood. I am just using that flutes in the film industry. Bollywood, I am playing Bollywood films also and all the serials. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
For initial stage, which type of the flute we should purchase for new learner?
Okay, for new learner, actually, you can first play the vertical flute that we called it as a pawa, like that.
Okay.
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 Then once you have the actually confidence about your blowing, and then how you can pick up that flute, then all the position of the all these hand, then you can shift to the horizontal flute, because horizontal flute, if you say, if you start directly, it is not actually played and your confidence will be lose. Okay, मैं सीखूंगा ही नहीं क्योंकि ये आता नहीं. So first start with the vertical flute and then you shift to the horizontal flute.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the basic difference in that horizontal and vertical?
Horizontal is actually, it has the what you call that, you don't have any problem for blowing, and the tone is also different, and this flute is not available with the big size, because it is very difficult to hold, right? So it is up to C note available, from B to C note, that flute is available and anybody can play. आप देखते हैं रास्ता वाला, रास्ते में भी वो फ्लूट बजाता है, so you can play it, but and that particular frequency is quite middle and quite higher, but these flutes are available with all the frequencies from bass to higher note, and tone is totally different. There are bamboo flutes, there are steel flutes, but bamboo flutes, our Indian bamboo flutes are very good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
शेयर होती हैं दिखा. हाँ,
Are there any more questions from the participants?
So before closing, I will request all of you, I am conducting the sessions for the students for how to actually use the brain mapping for remembering the formulas or things. I already done some modules, music modules. I am taking the patent for that. And yeah, last 2 weeks before, I got the Lokmat Excellent Teacher Award, and Disle Guruji, that is Global Teacher Award. He told me that you just expand whatever your work, because this is very helpful. So my aim is that every student should learn very without efforts, especially for remembering the formulas. And I am taking the sessions for faculties and corporate training for stress management, but it should be offline, not online, because I have to do lot of things in offline.
One of the participants has asked, do you have your YouTube channel, sir?
I have YouTube channel with Sachin Jagtap name, SACHINJAGTAP. I uploaded few things on that, but I am starting the music therapy separate page in future after that publishing my book, that is Arogya Sangeet. Then I am starting.
Okay, sir.
But you can visit my channel also and subscribe.
Yes,
if
sir.
you like.
Sure, sir. Over
Yeah.
to you, Vijay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Mrs. Asma Mokashi, ma'am, to sum up the session.
Yes, thank you. Myself, Mrs. Asma Mokashi, working as faculty at MC Society's Alana College of Pharmacy, Azam Campus, Pune. And I'm very happy, sir, to summarize this session, because we as a pharmacist, we have always know this thing that we can cure the patient with the medicines. So today, with this FDP, the Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy has put in front of all of us this very innovative concept of stress and health management through music, This session was delivered by Mr. Sachin Jagtap sir, who is a dynamic teacher musician working as assistant professor in MBA department, Cyber Kolhapur. Sir has started this session with Ganesh Vandana, which was a peaceful kickstart of this session. Sir has told us what is the stress, what are the types of the stress, and what reasons why we got this stress. Sir has successfully applied the music therapy for the treatment of various patients from chronic to mild kinds of the stress conditions. It was nice knowing that the practically Sir has applied the concept of music through the Karwa, where through the old songs he has treated the COVID patients. Sir has mentioned in his session that how music can be correlated with the various prakriti of a person, and how different diseases can be treated with a different type of the ragas. Sir has correctly mentioned the time signature of these ragas, as well as which rag has to be played at which particular condition. Sir has also explained the importance of the music nodes towards a particular purpose. Sir has brilliantly played all type of the ragas, which was really fabulous listening to all of us, sir. It was awesome experience of listening you and knowing that the music as a dosage form to treat the patient. So this is the take home.
Voice.
Oh, Asma ma'am,
Hello, Asma ma'am. You are not audible. Asma ma'am.
Yeah, no issues. Sir, we have displayed a slide on the screen. So these are all the feedback and responses from the participants. So we are just displaying it for you only, sir.
Okay,
You can
okay.
just see we have got an excellent response from the participants.
Yeah, yeah.
I hope the screen is visible to you, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, these are the responses from the participants.
Right. Very nice. Thank you.
Yeah, Vijaya, you can propose vote of thanks.
okay. I, Miss Vijaya Saugule, on behalf of Bharati Vidyapit College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, takes this opportunity to thank our eminent speaker for his wonderful musical session and for his valuable time. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now,
Thank
I
you so
request
much.
all the participants to turn on their camera so that we can have the photo with our eminent speaker. Thank you, everyone. Dear participants, we will now have a lunch break and will meet sharply at 3 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks a lot.